that car will smoke him. Woo, he's flying. He was going through. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. That's where we're drinking Tarana. Woo! That's why we're drinking Tarana, boss. That's why we're here. Today's the day. So yes, guys, what is going on? I hope you can see me because the camera's like, I've just put it on top of 2 packets of tissues. I'm very excited, as you can tell, because I am at Snetterton. The track day today, absolutely buzzing. I don't want to talk too much, just want to get out there and race. But yeah, I got here just 10-15 minutes ago, took some photos for the Instagram. Make sure you're following. Make sure you subscribe as well for the channel, because things are about, I don't know, I'm out of breath. Things are about to take over, things are about to take off. I'm gonna go for a sound test, so they're gonna test how loud my exhaust is. I've already done a video previously, I'll overlay it here. It's not the most professional video, but they make you rev 3/4. So this car revs up to 7,000 RPM. They make you rev up to like 3/4 of that, which would probably be like 5.25, something like that. And it's below the threshold because every track day's got different decibels, so you can't go over 105. Apparently mine's like 90 something, so I'm way under, which is good. When I get the Ramos on, another story. But yeah, that's all good. Laugh at me if you want, but I bought Project Cars 2 for the Xbox. I've been playing around on the track, so I kind of know the track. But being here and seeing it, it's obviously it's totally different. It's a lot bigger than obviously my 102-inch TV at home. I'm joking, it's like 30 inches. But yeah, so literally we're here now, nice and early. The first thing I'm going to do is just get the car all tested. I haven't got a garage, but I'm going to obviously keep an eye on my tyre pressures, oil, etc. I am aware my tyres might be kind of wearing out, so it's very important for me to take it easy, keep an eye on the heats, etc. When they get too hot, I'm going to come off, cool down, whatever, go back on. I've spoken to 2 people, Mark Cupp and Sam Melio, who should be here today. Great guys, M140 owners as well. They track their cars, so they know exactly what they're doing. But for me today, it's all about me just finding out what this car can actually do and where its limits really are in a safe environment, as opposed to on the street. So pushing the car really hard today, obviously within probably 80-90% of what it can do, bearing in mind my tyres are on like 3mm. So yeah, I've waffled enough. Let's get straight into it. Yep, we're out now. So this is gonna be my my first lap without any guidance. And what I can say is that I am absolutely buzzing for it. So it's stay to the right, stay to the right, build up the speed. Woo, he's flying! He was flying, fam! Wow! That M4 was licking it! That M4 was licking it, mate! Wow! That M4's gone! Let me give it some beans now. Woo! Brake! Brake. These brakes are good, very good, bringing me in smoothly, turning me out. Lovely. Oh, a bit of spin there. Okay, yep, that M4 was licking it. Mate, you should have seen the speed it was carrying. You should have seen the speed it was carrying. You should have seen the speed it was carrying. Whoa, 100, just like that. 100 miles an hour, Dad. Look at me now, Dad. That M4, I'm telling you, was licking it. It was gone. Got this Toyota behind me. Actually, it's a Honda. I'm gonna have to pull over for him as well. Yep, taking this one in. I'm gonna have to come over for him. I'm gonna have to come over for him to go. This is the right-hander. He can overtake. Yep. He's way faster than me. And again, my tyres are still a bit cold. Snap, here we go. 100. 120. 130. Hard on the brakes. Not too hard actually. Not too hard at all. Different line in this time. Coming in. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna put the gearbox in automatic, let it do its thing. Way! Thumbs up to the photographer. He loves it. He loves it. It's getting a bit windy. Getting a bit windy. Loads of wind noise, which is natural. And again, I'm just taking my time. We will put the time on the bottom so we can see how fast we're going. But yeah, this is good. This is good. It would probably help if I had tuition. I didn't today because obviously I just thought, you know what, there's no point. Loads of wind noise. Loads of it. Loads of wind noise. That again. It's not moving, it's not having it. It's not having it at all, mate. It's not having it. He doesn't want to move out the way. I would have had him. Come out of there. Get over here. Yeah, this is a good one. It's a shout from the cone. That is probably very smooth. Funky smell as well. It definitely ain't rubber. It definitely my bum bum. And people are saying, ah, you probably pulled your pants. You probably pulled your pants. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Come here. Oh, mate. Why do you sound so angry? This is what it came for. This is what it's there for. This is what it's built for. It's what it's there for. Come on. I'm gonna get him on the home straight. The guy's taking a very weird line. Oh, look at the Lotus! Look at the Lotus! He's loving it. You've got to give these guys their comeuppance or whatever the word is, because they are proper enjoying it. And I'm, like I said, I'm just trying to get a feel for the car today. So I'm only going to overtake on that home straight, and I will overtake this guy on that home straight. God's willing. That wind's pushing me again slightly. Chose my gear well. All about using the mirrors as well. Tyres getting up to 34 now. Very good temperature. Let's see what we got here. Very good. Here we go. Flick down. Oh, that Fiesta's coming. I'm not gonna let him. I'm gonna do him first. I'm gonna let him do what he needs to do. Fiesta's not going nowhere, mate. Oh no, I can't. Oh mate, I'm just too worried about my car, which is a good thing, obviously. But oh, look at that, an M4. What a lovely M4. What a lovely M4. What a lovely M4. What a lovely M4. Oh, I'm getting a bit of confidence now. I don't want to take the absolute. I want to take the absolute mick. Whoops. Don't want to take the mick. Got to remember, Dad's watching, Mum's watching, so I've got to be good. I'm always good anyway. Come on, come on, come on. You know you want to. Let me have it. Let me have it. Oh, he's not moving over, man. Not moving over at all, is it? Not moving over. Well, at least there's no cars behind me this time. Brakes feel good. Not moving over at all, is it? Not moving over. Well, at least there's no cars behind me this time. Brakes feel good still. Very good. Very good. Very good line through here. Using all the track as requested by Mark. Hey! Oh, what a day. What a day. I'm not even caning it and I'm like, oh, there's another car behind me. I hate seeing cars behind me because then I know that I'm gonna have to let me push it. Oh, bit of skirmish there. Ta-da-da! Okay. Here we go. Come on, I see a car in my rear view that I don't want to come before it has to come, if you know what I mean. So I want to, I'm going for it. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. That's why we're drinking Tarana. Woo! That's why we're drinking Tarana, boss. That's why we're drinking Tarana. Whoa, a bit wide here. A bit wide. Still got it. I've still got it. Then the apex. Still got it. Come on. Still got it. And then on the brakes. Into the bend. Into the bend. Oh, this car's starting to really grip now. It's actually starting to hook now, which is good. Because the tyres are warm. It's what we wanted. It's what we wanted. And that exhaust. Try not to use the brakes. Try not to stab at the brakes. Because again, this is all stock. And then here we go. Here's the straight. That's what we came for. Again, don't take the mick, Tim. Know your limits. You want to get home in one piece, don't you? Yep, just hold the brake through there. Yeah, we like that. That's very smooth. Oh, I can see a lovely BMW behind me. It's probably going to be one of my fastest laps, obviously, because I haven't had that Merc stuck behind me. But I can't let him go past yet. This is a very weird track. Weird track. Concentrate on what's in front of you just for now. Just for now, concentrate on what's behind you. Yep. Brakes are doing alright, to be honest. Coming home in one piece. Brake! And hard on the brakes. These brakes are doing alright, to be honest. They're doing alright in the car. Look at that. He just wants to turn. BMW, you've done a very... Whoa! Look at the Lotus. Look at the Lotus. I'll let him do his thing. Guys, keep an eye on this car, yeah? Keep an eye on this Lotus. Look at that. Look how easy it is for him. Look how easy it is. It's really easy. Whoa. It's really easy for him. When I say easy, I mean easy. There's no roll. I definitely need some springs. Definitely. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Guys, I'm telling you. Get your car out here. Get your car here. I'm telling you. You have to get your car here, I'm telling you now. That wind is just freaking annoying though. That wind's really annoying. My left foot's doing, my left foot wants to brake. Maybe I'm a race driver. Maybe that's what I was meant to do. Why is my left foot nearly went to the brake there? Maybe because I feel like I'm on a go-kart track. Go-karts. I said cat, you know. Here we go. Here's the straight. Here's the straight that I paid for. This is why we came. Come on. Use the engine. Use the engine. 100, 110, 120. And then we press. Woo! Lovely. My left foot keeps braking. Woo! I think that's a good couple of laps. I think maybe we'll do one more, then we'll do a cool down lap. Oh yes, scrape that slightly. Yep, turn in. Car feels good still. Again, big shout out to everyone that's made this possible. Dub Customs, Williams Performance. Jeez, buzzing. This is what I like. This is what I like. M5. Let me give it one more. One more. Cool down again. Take that back. That M5's gone, mate. That M5's gone. Guys, this car is actually, for a stock car, this car is so, it's so easy. BMW knew what they were doing. Like, everyone always talks about the 1 Series, and then they're like, oh yeah, this, that, this, that. This, mate, is made for it. And the Super Sports doing their jobs now. They hit 40, and that's what I was promised. I said I was going to take it easy. Once they hit 40, I said I was going to come in just to keep an eye. The right one's warmer than the left one. Obviously, maybe there's a bit more pressure in that. I don't know. But this is going to be my cool down lap. This is going to be my cool down lap anyway. We'll just take this one easy. Take it really easy. And just enjoy the day. Oh, guys, I'm obviously going to end the video here. I just really wanted to experience my first time on track. Big shout out to all of those that have watched, and let me tell you guys, there's so much coming with this car. I'm gonna go obviously turbos, more track days, maybe like a tour. Might be going to Belgium. I'm not gonna throw any hints in, but yeah, there's gonna be so much more to come. So yes, oh my days, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, give it a like, all of that stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless. Oh, what a way to finish this. What a way. Oh, he's wants it. The thing is, my car's faster than his, but when it comes to the bends, I've got no chance on him. I've got no chance. My car will smoke him.